Okay, 3-3, proving lines parallel. Now in 3-2, you were given that the lines were parallel. When the lines were parallel, we knew alternate exterior were congruent, alternate interior were congruent, corresponding angles were congruent, and same side interiors were supplementary. So with these theorems of proving parallel lines, we're going to do the converse of all of those. If you remember converse, if A then B, it switches if B then A. So your conclusion becomes your hypothesis. So all these will start if two lines in a transversal form, and then we go into the rest of it. So if two lines in a transversal form corresponding angles that are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So it's just the converse. Before it said if two lines were parallel then and cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles were congruent. So we are just flipping it. We can abbreviate this. Corresponding angles are congruent, comma, for the then, the lines are parallel. So if two lines in a transversal form alternate interior angles that are congruent, and then your lines are parallel. It's real easy to prove parallel lines. And the abbreviation, alternate interior angles congruent, lines parallel. Got my angle symbol in there. Bet I did that on the next one too. So again, if two lines and a transversal form same side interior angles that are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So again, converse of what we had the parallel lines, we knew the same side interior then became supplementary. So same side interior supplementary, parallel. So I just do SS for same side interior. So again, when we have our two lines in the transversal, if they form alternate interior angles that are congruent, then the lines are parallel. I keep saying interior, don't I? So if we have the alternate exteriors angles congruent, my lines are parallel. So these are all the converse of what you learned in 3-2. So to use them, this section was nice. We didn't really have any proofs. I hope I didn't pick any for you problems to do. May have been mean. I hope not. Find the value of x for which line L is parallel to M. Well, if we're trying to get these two lines parallel, if I look at these two angles that are given to me, these are here and here. Hopefully that looks like it where I drew them. But those are the two we're talking about. So for my lines to be parallel, I have to get these alternate interior angles congruent. So I set them congruent. So 2x minus 5 has to equal 95 for them to be parallel. So add 5. Cancels. 2x equals 100. Divide by 2. So my x equals 50. So that would be the value of x to make this angle 95. And you've solved the problem. So you'll be dealing with corresponding angles, alternate exterior, the alternate interior, and same side interior being supplementary. So set up your equations according to what your angles are given, and then solve. And that's all you have for notes.